When it comes to boosting your home's curb appeal in Auburn Hills, few upgrades are as impactful as replacing your windows. Not only does a fresh set of windows enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but it can also increase energy efficiency, comfort, and even the value of your property. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to refresh the look of your home, window replacement can provide significant benefits that make a noticeable difference. The visual impact of new windows. The exterior appearance of your home plays a key role in its curb appeal. Over time, windows can become worn, cracked, or outdated, making your home appear tired and less inviting. Replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient alternatives can immediately update the look of your home, giving it a fresh, clean appearance. New windows are available in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to choose options that complement your home's architectural style. For instance, a modern bay window can add dimension and a touch of elegance to a traditional home, while sleek, black-framed windows may lend a contemporary look to a mid-century modern design. If your home features a unique architectural style, such as colonial revival or Victorian, replacing windows with historically accurate or updated versions can preserve the integrity of the design while enhancing its visual appeal. Energy efficiency benefits. While the aesthetic benefits of window replacement are clear, there's also a practical side. Older windows often lack the insulation necessary to keep your home comfortable throughout the year. In Auburn Hills, where winters can be harsh and summers can be hot, inefficient windows can lead to higher heating and cooling bills. Drafty windows allow heated or cooled air to escape, causing your HVAC system to work overtime and increasing your energy consumption. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce energy loss. Modern windows feature advanced technologies such as double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, and gas fills that provide superior insulation. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you'll not only lower your utility bills but also increase your home's overall comfort throughout the year. Increased home value. When considering window replacement as part of a home improvement project, it's important to think about the potential return on investment. Homebuyers in Auburn Hills are increasingly looking for properties that are both aesthetically appealing and energy efficient. According to real estate experts, homes with updated windows can command higher resale prices, as prospective buyers appreciate the long-term benefits of reduced maintenance and lower energy costs. Additionally, high-quality window replacements can enhance the perceived value of your home. Whether you choose vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or aluminum windows, selecting materials that are durable and stylish can make your home stand out in a competitive market. New windows can transform a property, providing a sleek and polished look that is sure to catch the eye of potential buyers. Low maintenance and durability. In addition to their beauty and energy efficiency, modern replacement windows are designed for ease of maintenance. Older windows often require frequent repairs, caulking, and painting, especially in a climate like Auburn Hills, where seasonal changes can take a toll on exterior surfaces. New windows are built with durable materials that resist fading, warping, and damage from the elements, reducing the amount of upkeep required. For example, vinyl windows are known for their low maintenance nature, as they never need to be painted and are resistant to moisture, making them ideal for Michigan's variable weather conditions. Wood windows can be treated with finishes that help them resist decay, while fiberglass windows are highly durable and energy efficient. With new windows, you can spend less time maintaining your home and more time enjoying its beauty. Improved natural light and views. Finally, window replacement can also enhance your home's interior ambiance. New windows often feature larger glass panes and slimmer frames, allowing for more natural light to flow into your home. This can make your living spaces feel brighter, more inviting, and even more spacious. Additionally, modern windows can improve your views of the outdoors, providing an unobstructed view of your Auburn Hills neighborhood or the natural beauty that surrounds your home. In summary, replacing your windows in Auburn Hills is an investment that pays off in multiple ways. From enhancing curb appeal and improving energy efficiency to increasing home value and reducing maintenance, new windows offer a range of benefits that make your home more beautiful, comfortable, and efficient. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for years to come or looking to sell, window replacement is a smart and worthwhile upgrade that can transform your property. QXS